here we are again, and we have a BMW door lock today. This is a HU100R. It's off one of the newer BMWs out there. Actually got this lock, it was actually broken, bought it cheap, no key, etc. So we don't need a key, so we're just going to do a quick demonstration on this one. Right. So we're just going to start as normal. Couple of clicks on 4, click on 6, bit of counter rotation on 8, I get number 7, getting good counter rotation, 1 click. We got another click. 5's okay. 3. Again, we actually getting some counter rotation. So I'll just apply pressure on the picking arm, release pressure on the tension arm, and you should get that. And number 1, got the same. Apply pressure, release tension, and there we go. We got it open. So I've done a few of these HU100Rs in the past. They give very good feedback usually. Like I say, some wafers it won't give you any counter rotation. As you can see there, we got probably about 3 or 4 where apply a bit of pressure to the wafer, and then you can feel as you apply pressure it'll want to counter rotate. So just let off a bit of the pressure and then it should click into place. There we go. Thank you very much.